Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam Minute course. In that lecture, we're gonna talk about G71 function in Mastercam. If you click on that toolpath, you can easily get G71 function in that toolpath. I created some toolpath as you can see on the screen. When I am click here, we're gonna see the some profile here. This profile is coming from our tool compensation process. When I am click here, this is the computer. It means that my tool radius, corner radius 0.8, and my parameters, compensation type is gonna calculate it computer. So that's why we can see that kind of line in our profile. Okay, thank you very much for listening to me.